Hi there. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add DocHub to your Chromebook. We noticed that some students had it and some didn't, so I'm going to give you some instructions on how to add it to your Chromebook. So here are the steps written out for how to add DocHub. I'm not going to read through them right now, but I am going to demonstrate it. When we're finished demonstrating, you might want to go back to the screen and pause the video so that you can follow along these steps as you're adding DocHub.
All right, so your first step is you need to be logged into your Google Drive, and then you're going to click the gear to get into your settings. So right up here at the top, you're going to click that gear and go to Settings and select Settings. So this is going to open up this window here, and what you're going to do is you're going to click on the Manage Apps down here. So on the left side, you're going to click Manage Apps. And your first step is you're going to want to check to see if DocHub is already here. So if you scroll through and look for DocHub, they're alphabetical. So DocHub would be right here, and it's not. Now, if it was, you're going to want to click this button here to say, yep, use this as the default program that's used. Now, if it's there and you've clicked that box, you're done. But if you're one of those students that didn't have it listed, then you're going to continue on through step 6. So you're going to go up here to the blue where it says Connect More Apps. And you're going to select that. And it opens up another window here. All right, so once this window opens, you need to search for DocHub. So up here in the Search Apps bar, you're going to type in DocHub and hit Enter. And you'll see that this little icon comes up over here. So what you're going to do is down here in the bottom right corner, you're going to click the Drive icon with the plus sign to add it. Now, there's a lot of little steps to this, but it's actually just pretty easy. So you're going to click the big blue Install button. It's going to say, hey, we need some permission. You hit Continue. It's going to say, we need to know which account. So you're going to log in to your Google student account. It says, are you sure you want to give it access? You say allow. And it's been installed. Say, yep, make this the default, and then you can go ahead and close all of these windows, and DocHub is now an option for opening PDFs. Thank you for watching this video tutorial. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to email me at amy.hand@rusd.org.